Alright guys, welcome back. So it's the last episode for up in Newcastle. So on to a new location next. Hope you guys enjoy this one. I reckon it's some of the nicest crabs we've got so far. So if you like it, make sure to hit that like button for us. And subscribe to get all that new content coming up in the next few weeks. Guys, so day 3, we're sitting here underneath the bridge chasing a dewey. It's been pretty slow. That's a shock. That many bream, I don't know. I reckon someone might have even been here already. A bit sus, but not a bad crab still. Probably let him go. We've got a few nice ones already. Just leave that one for the other blokes to have a go of, and yeah, stay tuned for the rest of them. Yep. Yeah, right, so it's a little female here. Gonna throw her over. Once she gets out of the net. Might have to help us swimmer there, bro. The swimmer's caught up. Flake it through, yeah, push it through. She's not gonna bite you. Guys, so I don't know how we ended up finding it, but it's up in the back of the mangroves here. It was pretty hard to find. The only reason why I did pop this trap was because someone else had theirs like that, and I thought that was ours, but that's ours there. They've lost their trap there. It's just an empty rope there. Right guys, so another trap here, just pulling up. Just gonna reverse up and we'll get him up. It's actually pretty tight through all these mangroves here. Wouldn't have thought that he'd come up here, but come up on the low yesterday and walked it up, but yeah, it's a nice little system. This is where we let about 4 or 5 females go yesterday actually, so that is, but yes, I reckon someone's pulled our trap here. That chicken's been eaten. Right, so someone's already been up here and checked them. Right guys, just come up another trap here, see how we went. Like she settled in the mud a bit. Nothing in the last trap unfortunately. And one tiny little one here. Wow, it's not really producing too well here. Hopefully we go a little bit better up further. Alright guys, so we're just got the blue swimmer trap hopefully here. See how we go. It's just on the outskirt of where we get the muddies. Just going around for you there, bro. And what do we got? Okay, alright guys, just got another trap here. See how we went. Hopefully a couple of muddies. What do we got? One. Little female there, so may as well stick her out there, brother. Stay tuned for the rest of them. Put a couple of traps in here, I think, man. Have a look, see how we went. Gotta watch out because there's a bloody log just here. Hold on. Yeah, we through. Alrighty, see how we went here. A lot of current pushing through. Oh my god! That is a stonker! Woo! On the Muddy Venture. Here we are, brother. Oh my god. Alrighty guys, so it was a bit hectic coming through there. Nearly snapped the bimby off, but got a bit excited. This is a donkey. I reckon it's got to be 2.5 kilos, eh, brother?
Oh, mate.
I reckon there'd be 2.5 kilo on him for sure. Look at him. Oh my god. I swear it's a female sitting just there without pulling her out and giving her a look, but yeah, he's obviously made it up with her. And even she's a stonker. But we'll let her go, and this big fella, you're coming home, buddy. You. Alright guys, this is the female that was with the stonker male. She's a stonker too, but what we'll do is get this little swimmer out of there. And there she went. That is a pretty big battery box, and he doesn't even fit in there. Oh, I'm gonna have to get him out and give us a look at this fella. Yeah, alright guys, so one of the biggest bucks I've ever seen here. He's a lot of Aussies at the moment, but it's worth the celebration, I'll tell you what. Second bro, beer o'clock for this fella. Cheers to him. I don't know about you guys, but that is the biggest buck I've ever seen. Look at the size of this nipper, I'll try and show you. I can wrap my whole hand around that nipper, bro. That is hectic. This crab is a giant. Romo! Amazing. No, one more to go up here. Alrighty guys, so the brother's pulling up trap for today. Hopefully a blue swimmer, but I don't think we got anything. Oi! We got a blue swimmer! Ew! That's not a bad size either there, bro. Alrighty guys, so just going to get the boat out while it's high tide, and this old fella in front of us is a legend. It's one of the boys that have been pretty nice to us the last couple of days staying up here, so I'm going to give him a feed of mud crab and a couple of others, so just going to do a Yui, hook up the boat and catch us back. Alrighty guys, so the boat's pretty muddy as you can see, so going to do a quick hose and last day up here, but we're going to come back real soon, that's for sure. So we'll just give her a quick hose down and we'll catch us on the road trip home. Phew. Oh guys, I know what the weather's like at home, but she's warm up here, 40 degrees, roasting. Got the muddies in the back. Gonna
gonna just top them up with some water, keep them live for the trip home. Stay tuned when we get back. You. Beautiful little country town. Nice people. I'd almost consider moving up this way. It's only been 3 days, so I don't know the full story yet, but after a few more trips I might have me converted, I reckon. Stay tuned for the adventure home. Alrighty guys, so we're just on our way home now, so we've got 4 hours and a half to go. 11:40 arrival, so I reckon about 12:30 we'll get home. Take my hats off to the fire brigade up ahead here, sorting out a massive